right, everybody, disembarkation day on the MSC Divina. Plan for like 3 to 4 hours from that 7 o'clock call to get off the ship. Make sure you get your luggage out the night before at like 11:30. We're back here in Miami. We've got some rain. We got the emergency rain poncho in our backpack. We brought umbrellas, but they're in our luggage, so we're not going to be able to do that. Make sure when you get on the ship, you get your Wi-Fi and you settle your bills right away. Just go ahead and log that credit card. All you really need to get off the ship is your cruise card, then you got to come through U.S. Customs. If you want to walk with your luggage off the ship, you can. Just go stand in line right away, because people were waiting in line for like 2 hours. So when they do first call, just kind of wait for that first number and then just kind of go. I'd say that, but you're still going to have to wait a little bit there. It wasn't too bad as far as getting off the ship. We recommend getting up, get breakfast, and then go find a comfortable spot. We went up to the theater. We found a little round table away from everybody where we could hang out in the lounge chairs, put our feet up and that sort of thing. We brought our waters and our Red Bull from the day before, so pack that so you don't have to fight anybody for drinks. The bathrooms are going to be jammed. You might have to go up or down the floor to get to that. Just be patient with the process, and all in all, it's not too bad. So we're going to get up here to customs. I got to put the camera away. Thanks for joining us. It's just going to be a quick disembarkation tips and tricks video for everybody, and we'll see you all soon on the next cruise. Bye, everybody.